I don't know about for the rest of you, but it seems like 2021 just got started and it has flown by. It's already over. And 2022, well, it come flooding in, literally. Yeah, I think that I'd have to go to submarine mode to make it across right now. It gets much deeper. My neighbor's car is sitting over there in that field. His kids are in for holidays. And we get another, the creek goes up 3 more inches, they'll be in the water. I'm looking at this, I'd say it has already actually crested and it's going down just a little bit. We'll see, they're still calling for another 4 inches of rain. Right now where I'm standing, we're normally about 10 feet higher, 10, 12 feet higher than what the river level is. So it has definitely came up a little bit. This is what happens when you put a bigger log than the mill's really designed to cut on here. Sorry, Billy. cutting up a chunk of this black walnut. I think this is 2 days after we did the other filming, but it's a little bit bigger than the mill is. We're gonna have to try and just whittle little pieces of it off until we get it down to where we can actually use it. Anyway, we'll get the tripod set up and then we'll start milling. Nothing against Woodland mills, and we are beyond thankful to be able to use this to get some of the fence stuff done and some other stuff cut up. But if Norwood's watching, we would really like to demo one of your HD 36s. I'll insert a picture here. But like I said, this Woodland Mills is getting the job done, and we are super thankful to have it. It's just made us realize that I don't know how we've lived this long here on the farm without a sawmill in our life.